Hello, my name is Ekta Gambhir, a student of Masters of Business at the University of Wollongong, Sydney Business School. My student ID is 5349540. In this first trimester, under Organizational Behavior and Management, we were expected to work on an organizational behavior by means of three different assignments. The first assignment focused on two articles, wherein a critical analysis of one was to be done, and in the second part, a comparative analysis of the two was to be done. The second assignment was to give a peer feedback on the assigned paper to you, and the fourth assignment was to choose another related article and give a detailed understanding of the topic. The topic chosen by me is to study generational differences across cohorts on work related attitudes. For this, three research articles were chosen, which were Costanza et al., Smola et al., and Mariak et al. After studying these three articles, it can be stated that differences do exist within the workforce of an organization. Therefore, it is a general presumption by the management that these exist due to generational differences of the employees. This makes them invest huge sums of money into training and development of employees so that these can be overcome. However, these researchers suggest that this exists not because of generational differences, but there are other factors like age, maturity, overall experience, the way the employees interpret situations, and many more. Therefore, it is necessary for the management to first identify the needs of the employees and then invest in training and development programs instead of just going by the presumed notion. Also, another learning outcome from this is giving a peer feedback. This actively engages us to the subject matter. Another noteworthy point is that students understand each other very well as they are at the same wavelength, and this reduces the frequency of errors. Having to give feedback to peers prompts more critical reflection on preparedness and presentation of our own paper. Last but not the least, it gives us a new perspective of our own work. Therefore, these three assignments were an excellent source of learning and overall had a great learning outcome. Thanks.